Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tyra, and for today's video I'm gonna be doing some planty chores. So there's just some plants I want to combine. For the most part, that's probably what I'm gonna be doing because I have duplicates of a lot of plants here, and I want to put them all like together. So to go ahead and get started, the soil I'm going to be using today is going to be the Miracle Grow orchid potting mix, and I'm going to be mixing that with just some regular indoor potting mix. I feel like some of my plants, a lot of my plants right now are in like this very quick draining like soil mix, not even soil but like mixture of things that increase drainage. However, I don't water my plants often enough for them to really benefit from that, so I think combining just the regular soil and just adding a little bit less of like these these materials, I don't know, the stuff that creates the drainage will help them hang on to a little bit of moisture until I water them again. I hope that made sense. So the first plants I'm going to start with are my monstera constellations, because those I think have been suffering the most due to my underwatering. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get started on that. So I'm gonna be combining my Thai constellations into this this is an 11-inch pot, so hopefully this Thai can hang out in here for a little while and I won't have to worry about it. I also do have a moss pole for this, but I cannot find it for the life of me, so I'll figure that out when I get to that. But I think I will end up having to stake this up to something, whether it be a moss pole, a wood plank, whatever. But yeah, but I'm gonna cross that bridge when I get there. Right now I'm just kind of wanting to get it out of these very tiny pots that they outgrown probably months ago now. I'm gonna tuck this aerial root down into the pot. got my Thai constellation potted up into one pot. I don't know how I feel about these aerial roots. I tucked them down as best I could, but here we go. Cutesy. Time to move on to the next plant, which is going to be my monkey tails. So for my monkey tail cacti, I think I keep saying cactuses instead of cacti. Anyway, I went and picked up this really cute pot from Walmart, and I was gonna plant them directly in here, but now that I'm kind of looking at it, I have this clear pot that can literally fit right inside of it, because I kind of want to see the roots on this one. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and plant it in this, I think this is like a 4-inch, and then just plop it in here. It's like a cute little cover pot. So let's go ahead and get started. About half regular potting soil. Half orchid bark. Let me just actually throw this in here. Give it a good mix. I did this with the monstera too, by the way. Just kind of eyeballed the mixture. Okay. Looks something like this. The mixture that the cacti are already in is kind of this thick. Healthy root system. Always love to see that. Okay. I should probably be wearing gloves. Here's the next one. Ooh, healthy. So we're gonna take our mixture, dump it in here. I think I poured a little bit too much. Do I want these facing the same direction or the opposite direction? Like this or like this? Let's see. Yeah. I think that looks good. guys, so the camera got hot outside. These are how the plants turned out after all their repottings. So I'm just gonna show them to you all briefly and then water them in, because they probably are all like dying of thirst. So yep, so I mean, as you can already see, I'm the most excited about this because I've been putting this off for God knows how long. So I'm finally done with this repot. I hope it acclimates well. Hopefully it'll continue to grow and become like large and luscious and not give me any root rot issues. The second plant I'm really excited about is the monkey tail cactus, which I think this is where the camera cut off. I changed my mind. I decided to put it in this black pot that I have. I think it looks more modern and sleek, and I don't know. Anyway, I put it in this. I think this is a 6-inch pot. So, and I have them both facing forward. So I think this looks really nice. Tell me what you guys think. The next plant I have here is one of the holiday cactus. This is what I decided to actually put in this planter. It's in a clear pot. Here we go. And then we have my other holiday cactus. Not as cute. So I'll have to get a cover pot for this. I'll have to get a cover pot for this and start propagating it so I can fill out the middle. But here is her. And then my birds of paradise. So I had originally got these pots out of, they're like a kind of like a bottom watering pot. I got both of these pots out of Dollar Tree. I thought one was going to be enough for both plants, but when I was looking at them, I was like, I might as well go ahead and just pot one in each, because I have a feeling the roots are gonna get get extremely smushed. If I was thinking, I would have gotten 2 of these pots, because I only have 1 of these, but I was only thinking about this one plant. So I think I got this out of Lidl. So I think I'm gonna go back there and see if I can find Alexa, stop. I think I'm gonna go back to Lidl and get another one of these, because I think putting both of the bird of paradise in this 11-inch pot, I think that'll be good. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and water them in the kitchen sink. I would prefer to do this in the bathtub, but I don't have the nozzle where it like comes down and sprays. I'm gonna change that, but my sink does it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give these babies a shower and then put them back in their places. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you've made it this far, leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. you.